Dear students, according to me, farewell is nothing but painful goodbye. In this occasion, I would like to say only one thing: be brave and be curious. And please remember, hard work is the secret of success. Wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello students, you are the excellent batch what I have seen. Wherever you go, whatever you do best. Life is all about chances and opportunity. Never leave anything to chance and never let any opportunity to get away from you. All the very best and very success. Have a bright future. Miss you all.
Good evening. I'm your teacher Badri. I think we were associated from the third sem. First I taught you the operating system. I made you to learn concepts of OS and all. Then in the fifth sem, data communication and networks, and in the sixth sem, cryptography and network security. All the 3 semesters I enjoyed teaching you. Hopefully you also enjoyed my lecture. All the best.
There are many students who are in my class. When I take class, there are many students I noticed. They were changing themselves, reforming themselves to the next stage. So I want everyone to do the same and in your future too. So God bless you. All the best in your future. Thank you.
Students, I don't have anything to tell much about you because I never handled your class. Only thing I remember Kaushik, who is working for Rotaract, and Shruti and Nitesh, who have worked with me for Computantra, and very few students I know. Yeshwant and Samir, who I cannot forget at all. Only thing is, I just wanted to tell you, whatever you sow, that is what you reap. So accordingly, please, you work hard for what you wanted to earn later. All the best for your future.
1 minute.
Okay. Start.
Hello students, hope all are doing good and all the best for your exams. Be humble, be truthful, study well to achieve your goals. And one more I like to tell, there are chances and opportunities, you have to make use of them. All the best.
Hello, this has been a special batch for me, wherein I could find all kind of students, all variety of students, notorious students, good students, active students, extreme lazy students. So it has been wonderful experience overall. I wish them all the love for their future. Good luck. Thank you.
नमस्ते विद्या विनय का पोषण है, तो आप सभी विनय के साथ बर्ताव करो, सबके साथ विनय से बात करो, और जो कुछ भी आपने सीखा है आप दूसरों को भी सिखाने की कोशिश करो। हमेशा हंसते रहो। मेरी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हमेशा रहे। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Hi students, all the best for your bright future.
Hi everybody, it's really a pleasure for me to be the class teacher of 6th semester BCA A section for a very short period, and it came upon me as Shakespeare says, some are born great, some have greatness thrusted upon them. So this class teachership was thrusted upon me, and I'm thankful to the department for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be the class teacher of 6th semester BCA A section. And I found the experience, whatever experience I had with this class was really awesome, and it was a mixture of all types of emotion. It was just not only academics or something. I have the most naughtiest student in the class, that's Anurag, and I have the most quiet and silent student in the class, and that will be Amit Kumar. And I have a student who is very good in studies and yet doesn't open her mouth, that's Akshita. I know a student who studies very well and it's always coming up with some doubts or something, that's Kishore for you. And there are so many other students who are, who will make your day, that's what I can say. And about the girls here in this class, this is the first time I had come across with so many Meghnas in the class, and Usually when they talk, I just don't know which Meghna I am addressing to. So I used to say, all the Meghnas there, please stop talking there. And that would make them to burst out into a laughter or something. So overall this class has been really very lively, and my class, especially web programming, it's not such a hectic subject that I had to teach them, but yeah, they know the programming well and the concepts of programming very well, and I just had to brush their knowledge and regenerate them on the programming concepts along with web programming concepts. Throughout it has been a very good journey for me, and very shortly they are going to be out into the concrete jungle. All I wish and pray for these students is that each and every step that they take in their life should be a success for them. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you very much.
Hello students. It was a very nice time to be with you for 5 semesters, since I was a class teacher from first semester to fifth semester. Every semester was a very good experience with you people. You were all very nice students, very obedient students, very disciplined students, and it's not only my view, it has been told from the entire department that you are the very good disciplined students. And I had some ups and downs also a little bit, but never anything went up to the heart. Only thing last I want to say is that last semester I missed you a lot because I was not able to handle any paper for you because of some reason, and because of my health issues I couldn't meet your batch, and I was not be able to take any class, neither as a class teacher. So last thing what I want to say is that all the best wherever you go, whichever part of the world you go, always do good and progress in your life. God bless you all people.
Yeah.
To all my wonderful 6th BCA students, a lot of memories to cherish, some good and some bad. How can I forget the Goa trip? I think so. Thought so that the Goa trip should have happened earlier, so that I could have understood every one of you better. So there are students who are yet to clear certain papers and all. So please make sure that clear all your papers and finish your BCA successfully. And to all the other students who have got placed and yet to be placed, all the best for your future. Best of luck, and please see to that, do come for every year for the alumni meet, and don't forget us.
Good evening, my dear students. The message for each one of you. Always, first and foremost important thing in your life, love yourself. Don't compare with anybody. Compete yourself to succeed in your life. Working hard will always giving you the reward. So always think about the work hard will give you the reward in your life. As our former President Kalam said, read lot of failure stories. Don't read success stories. When you read failure stories, you will get ideas to come up in your life. Thank you.
Good evening all 6 SEM students. I don't differentiate A and B because I have handled both the section from first semester, and you have seen me for complete 4 semesters, that is first, second, fourth and fifth. Most probably the most hated lecturer who exists in the department, I think so it's me, because I concentrate more on academics. My ultimate aim that everyone should score very well in the examination, and you must increase your percentage. So I might have scored you several number of times, but I won't say sorry for that, because I always think standing in place of your parents. Students, you have come to the final stage, and after this everyone will have a different deviation. Some might take up the jobs, or some might continue further studies. So I wish at least after this you will be a little more serious about your life, and at the same time you enjoy your life. All the best. God bless you all.
Hello my dear students. As soon as I came to Presidency College, I was given with your class only, especially 4th semester B section, the very first class I entered after coming here. So it was an amazing experience teaching you all. There were harsh moments and there were also very fun-loving moments. We used to enact play. I had a lot of time spent with you. Just one semester, but I could make a lot of memories with you. I just want to give a piece of advice for y'all. That is, never ever let go of your ethics. It's only the ethics that gives you an identity wherever you go, whatever you become in your future. Make sure that you follow these ethics. Have ethics, then automatically everything else comes with your good nature, behaviorism, whatever you are, your personality, everything develops with ethics. So please make sure that you follow this. Make sure that you retain the name of the college that you belong to, of the teachers that they have taught you, and thank you for accepting me with lots of love, with lots of blessings. A very amazing life ahead for you all. God bless. All the best.